Do you know how earthquakes happen? Let's understand it together. Earthquakes happen when there's a sudden burst of energy underground. This usually occurs because of movements in the Earth's outer layer called tectonic plates. These plates can either pull apart, crash into each other, or slide past each other. The spot where the earthquake starts is called the focus, and the point on the surface right above it is called the epicenter. When the energy is released, it sends waves through the ground, causing it to shake. Scientists measure the strength of earthquakes using tools called seismographs and scales like the Richter scale.